was working to try to distort the perceptions of reality so that they can continue what they're doing.
Right. And, they did a lot of other things that we've seen modern industries doing. They've, I mentioned the reference to the talked about. How would you like it?
Come to Isabella. Whoa, there's a lot of brave cars. Fuck, he was going fast. Did he hit someone?
Yeah.
What did he hit?
The
that car?
Yeah.
So that's what... Oh my God!
Big jaw, gray white, up to the daylight, put it to sleep, cause I don't need no saying. If she fucking with me, then she big penthouse, spend another 10,000, nothing getting wrecked out, money getting sent out. Good brain, good head, get the sense out.
Holy shit.
A great time not being able to work for 2 weeks. What the?
Oh shit.
Owes Larnack 400 million and won't pay. Thus, our claim. Luca put down his cigarette, picked up a remote, and aimed it at a flat screen on the wall. Wires ran from the screen to the floor, where they joined other wires that snaked.
My fucking God! Jesus fucking Christ. Slow the fuck down!
И предназначена для передачи.
Oh my god, there's Joe, go, 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 go!
Holy shit! Holy...
To get inflation down from 9.1% to around 2% without triggering recession, and I'll acknowledge when
David, remind us if you can, how will these interest rates ripple through the economy?
well, the Fed wants to get inflation under control, and to do that, it needs to slow down the economy. That means companies will slow down hiring. We've already seen some.
Oh ho ho!
Sometimes the quest for wealth isn't so simple. At Dynamic Funds, we believe that sound financial advice and fund performance matter. We value investing good advice. Talk to a financial advisor today and learn more at dynamic.ca/advice.
This motherfucker got that on the trailer with no straps, no nothing. Just 4 fucking flat tires. What? What is happening? Look at that. No straps.
And this is clearly evidence of ordained churches, self-help churches, Joel Osteen and so forth, right? Discover the champion in you.
Jesus, in the name of Jesus Christ. In the name of Jesus Christ. Thank you.
Now seating for Corey, the live experience. All religions welcome.
That's us. Come on, everyone. Hey, where's Brian?
Hey, you know how Snapchat puts a fake dog tongue on you? How'd you like a real one? That was bad.
Yeah, times have changed. 3 years ago, I would have been a hero.
3 years ago, they would have been 12. I need a nap. Brian, turn on the heat in NPR.
We now return to NPR's Fresh Air.
My guest today is a white music writer who has written a book about the history of hip-hop.
Stewie's loss. I'm sure this will be an enriching discussion.
Hip-hop has its roots in the call and response tradition of the Southern Black Baptist Church.
was just what the doctor ordered. I feel like a new...
And of course, you can't write a history of rap without mentioning guilt.
Yes! The accident itself. Frontal crash. Sound effect ready? 3, 2, 1. Still works, but the crash detection didn't trigger. Rear end. 3, 2, 1. Still works with some more scuffing, but again, no car crash detection. T-bone. 3, 2, 1. Yep, the watch survived, but concerningly, car crash detection didn't activate. Let's try actually moving and coming to a complete stop. Sound effect once again ready?
Her father looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling. Just had to stop. Remember. Oh my gosh. Looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling.
Expensive, and it's a lot to take care of, and we're in a drought. Oh
my gosh, what happened?
I am at Naval Base San Diego. I will be taking on a Navy and a Caribbean challenge. Now, the Syracuse knows I'm the smartest dog in the world, but I don't know about that, like your confidence.
Man, what was he thinking?
He wasn't paying attention.
Is that him? Is that what happened?
Are you okay?
Because they need that. And two, they'd probably ask Jerry, what the hell?
Wait, does drinking blood make you a cannibal?
Yeah, but like, does it have to be like completely flat? You have to chew the impaled and drink the blood? Yeah, well, they say auto-cannibalism is like chewing your like your nails. Yeah, you bite into your nails, but you like actually eat. I don't know, just eating your boogers, is that the same level? I don't know if snot counts as your physical body.
What's the difference between that and
What if you got nosebleed and trains in the back of your throat? I mean, like
Current loop.
Sometimes feel like
eligible for inclusion in the reconciliation package. It will be a boost to our economy. It will be a boost to our country. And this
Let's get to the house and then go out about. That was it. She hit his in the rear end. I think we got a file report.
You okay?
Yeah, I think we got a file report. He hits pretty good. Call him out, or how do you do that?
I got it.
Okay. So you said wasn't watching, or? I said you wasn't watching?
Hey, close the door.
What, you weren't watching? How come we had hit then?
I'm sorry.
Why did we get... We got hit pretty good. Huh?
I know.
She's gonna call the police.
Why don't you get in until the police get here?
Huh?
Get in until the police get here. Put your flashers on.
My battery won't last that long.
Some girls are petting a pedicure.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
How do you do that?
You know why? Because you're not paying attention.
How do you do that?
Not you, obviously. I saw that.
Yeah.
It was about to happen.
What the?
That's important to the show. Regine, you're welcome on any time, and we'll put in some videos as well. All right, I think this is the last email. This is coming from D. I'm writing
In Boston in 2015, Brian and Deanna would begin dating in 2013 and would eventually wed in 2016. And from all the pictures they posted together and loving missives they wrote publicly to each other, their relationship
God damn, dude! What's wrong with you? What is it? Let me guess, it's a black truck? That mother tried to run me over right up here.
Yeah. They helped me. He almost did it.
He going to jail.
Up. Where's the cop? There's the cop. That's
That cop knows.
You might want to give him a sobriety test because he just about hit me right up here.
We was driving in front of him.
Yeah, he came right over into my lane.
Yeah.
He's crazy.
I'm the constable of District 3.
Yeah.
And I got a David coming, so I'm just doing what I can now he comes. And
Something's wrong.
Yeah, because, I mean, he almost hit the guardrail.
Straight.
No lights, no nothing.
Arrest him.
You ain't hiring nothing, are you, buddy? Well, you sure driving like you was.
You about took us out.
You about hit me right up here, buddy.
That's it. That's it.
Hello? Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh my god, are you okay?
Oh my god!
Are you okay, sweetie?
What the are you doing? What the f- Yo!
Shoot him away, not even his father. And he could see Nichols, who was dressed in his new suit, being led by Tom's father to the scaffolding, time measured in each step and breath. As Tom listened, a preacher read Nichols' final statement. Sheriff White has been very accommodating to me indeed.
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Accommodating to me indeed. I feel
He was a adorable guy, all right. We have two more chances. The first thing happened when they were both married to other people. Their culture was there, and over time they got married.
Spray you guys off. Tell me if I need to call.
Yeah, call 911.